Yo guys, I don't know why I'm so excited about these joints in today's video. In this box right here, man, I have been eyeing these all year long, and this is not the only, highly anticipated sneaker coming to the year. There's been a bunch of highly anticipated releases that I had to go out and get, and this one right here was for sure something I was gonna get regardless of like an L or W, it don't matter, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna pay to play. I need these in the collection. We gotta break them down, talk about them in today's video. Let's get right into it, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of the ones from your guy, The Vintage, man. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to come pull up, see what your boy is talking about, man. And if you guys are still watching, you ain't skip through the video, man, go ahead and comment awake down below, because if you don't know, there were two pair of Air Jordan 5 awakes that dropped over the last couple of days, and now we're going to be getting the Bracer Blue pair releasing like August the 30th on the Nike Sneakers app, which is right around the same time as the Undefeated 4s. So I'm super anxious to see how that release is going to go. I want both pairs, bro. Like, this year is going to be probably, I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to run the sunset with this one, man. This year has been so great for sneakers, and it'd be a dope way to cap off my sneaker YouTube career, you know what I'm saying? So the Wake Air Jordan 5, the Burrows, you had the pink and you had the Racer Blue pair. I need both of them. So I'm gonna have to pay to play, and I think the price is gonna drop a little bit. But if you guys think I should pay, pull the trigger now, please let me know in the comment section. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage, man. Every single like counts. So if you guys want to do your boy solid, help your boy out, continue to grow this channel together, man, please run them likes up, man. All right, man, so we have the shoes in the box. You guys see it's already open because I was super excited. I had to show my little brother. I said, man, you don't know nothing about these joints in this box. I had to check them out. I said, yo, it's finally here. Like, this is that pure excitement. This is that pure joy, regardless of hype, regardless of value of a shoe. This is just pure excitement for us, thinking I fell in love with at a very, very, young age. And these released back in 2010. And once I show you guys the box, you should know exactly what they are, man. So let me go ahead and pop them open. You guys can see, man, you got the Nike up top. Y'all see the Nike up top, and the official size tag reads, it reads Air Foamposite 1 Black in Varsity Red. I got them in the size 9.5. If you guys have not been watching my last couple videos, I think I'm a 9.5. So I think I need to be buying a size 10 in my Foamposites, man. That's just my personal take. But yeah, Black Varsity Red Air Foamposite 1s. Yes, sir, man. Just seeing them again, bro, it's super dope. And we have no other than the Air Foamposite cough drops. Now, you guys know, man, I love Foamposite. Please go do your history, do your research on me, on kind of how I started the channel, kind of how, I was, portraying some of these videos, bringing out some of this content. And I do feel like there's slim pickings in terms of people still going out there buying phones. But I think that the wave is coming back, especially given the fact that we have some dope Foamposites releasing this year. We had the Galaxies, we had the triple white joints, we had the what would you call it, the Racer Blues, or can't think of the name right now. We had so many foams releasing this year, and we do have the Emerald joints, or the Green Goblin Foamposites, whatever you do want to call them, are coming out as well at the end of the year, man. And these are something I've been eyeing since they first released. They were originally released back in 07, then they're released again in 2010, which is kind of weird, right? 3 years, you retro a shoe or you bring a shoe back, kind of crazy. And now we waited almost 15 years for this second or third drop of the cough drop Foamposite. Just a sleek, nice subtle colorway. And again, the cough drops definitely stand out. Like, this is one of the ones I feel like, Foamposite collector, Foamposite lover is going to get. And I do think that, when you see these in hand, you got to give them a shot, bro. You got to give them a shot. But again, predominantly all black shoe. You got the cough drop red down below. And I was just curious on how it got his name. I didn't probably need to do a little research on it, but they've been a cough drop since I first seen them back in 07 in that 2010 era. And ever since then, bro, I have been wanting them, bro. But they look so crispy, bro. You see them, man. You see the bottom. You see that nice foamposite material on the upper. You got your red Nike swoosh on the lower portion of the lacing system. And of course, you do have your 2 pull tabs, just the infamous pull tabs on the foamposites. And again, man, you guys know, bro, I love foamposites, so I had to bring this, video, guys, this genuine video showing you guys what I do genuinely like adding and buying, and keeping their collection. What I'm saying? I probably won't get to these for a little while, but they will definitely do their justice. I'm gonna get some wears. I'm definitely throwing them on feet. And lately, I've been wearing foams to the gym and stuff like that, because I haven't been popping out nowhere too crazy to actually, unveil some of these bangers in my collection. But shout out to Tops. I keep saying banger for some reason, bro. Shouts out to my bro, my big bro Tops. He been saying that for years. So, it just engraved into my head when I see sneakers like this, bro. It's a banger, bro. I need Tops to certify this one right here, man. But this is one of them drops, again, that, I did think that a lot of people were after them. They did sell out mostly everywhere. You might see onesies and twosies kind of sitting around and stuff like that. But something you guys have not noticed is all these foamposites have been going just like that. And I don't think they have been dropping a lot of pairs of foamposites, just given the fact that the last couple of years, not a lot of people have been going out there and buying them. Those foams, sitting for months at a time. But this year, starting off with the Galaxies, the triple whites, the emerald joints, or the green goblins, whatever you do want to call them. And we still have another foam. I can't think of the name right now, but it's 2 foams releasing this year. The all white joints. I don't even know how I forgot that. The pros with the black Nike swoosh on the foam. I gotta have them. Like, those are just coming to the collection, man. You guys already know I'm going to get them, and probably in the next couple of videos, you guys are gonna see like a bulk foamposite unboxing, or just showing you guys the foams I have bought this year, because there have been a lot, and you guys know these ain't cheap. But shouts out to FLX. I did hit on the ship to me option, so I was a little bit lucky, and I was gracious that I did hit. I was a little worried at first, because first it said my payment was declined, and then like 15 minutes later it said that it took the money out of my account. Don't know what that was about, but I was like, man, I gotta pay that resale value on them joints, because, bro, I just need to have them. Like, all these foams that we getting this year, I don't see them releasing for another, 10, 15 years. And by the time that happens, man, I swear, I probably won't even be thinking about shoes within the next 10 to 15 years, just based on how everything's been going lately, you know what I'm saying? And again, this year has been so dope for shoes. I don't see how Nike, Jordan Brand, Adidas, I don't see how any brand can top this year in terms of the releases that we have been getting, man. But again, man, one last 360 look. Again, another one of those ones I had to add to the collection. They ain't released in over 15 years, so I am super happy to unbox them. And again, I don't gotta show you guys, everything that's worth $500. I gotta give you guys my, my genuine love for shoes, and kind of unbox them, and going on a journey with y'all. Because if that was the case, I know how the algorithm works. I already know you guys only like expensive shoes. You only like stuff that sell out. You only like stuff that nobody can obtain. And if I wanted to manipulate the algorithm, I could easily do that. But I'm gonna give you guys my genuine love for shoes, bro. Like, the foams is definitely up there, you know what I'm saying, in terms of silhouette, in terms of the history it brings, in terms of the colorways that do have. And again, I had to have them, bro. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. You guys are gonna see some more unboxings here within the next couple of days. Got some dope stuff lined out for this weekend. Hold on, let me check to see if let me grab them real quick. I don't know if these drop this weekend or next weekend, the shattered backboards, but I do believe it's this weekend. So if you guys will be grabbing these, let me know in the comment section. Super interested in knowing. But again, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. We got some bangers coming. We got some fire heat to unbox. So stay tuned, stick around, man. Love you guys. Peace.